If you want to unblock a number or a contact on the Samsung Galaxy A57, then in that case, first of all, we're gonna go to the phone app. Now over here in the phone app, we should be able to go to contacts, for example, if you want to unblock a contact. Here you want to choose your contact that is blocked, that you want to unblock, of course, and then we're gonna tap on this eye icon on the right side. In here, tap on More at the bottom of the screen, and then here we have the Unblock Contact option. Besides that, you can also go to Recents, so if someone calls you in the past, maybe recently, and you blocked that number or contact, of course, and now you want to unblock it, then you just have to tap on that call, and then we're gonna tap on these 3 lines and 3 dots that we have in here in this place, and then at the bottom we can find the unblock option, which we can easily use to unblock the number. And last but not least, we can also tap on the 3 dots that we have in the upper right corner, and we can go to settings. Now here in call settings, we can proceed to block numbers, and then in here you should be able to see the list of all numbers that you have blocked. So you can tap on the minus button on the right side in order to unblock the selected number. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.